ready to eat. Today I'm going to be making a tuna and egg salad versus having egg salad or having plain old tuna salad. Hubby likes to have a combination of the two, makes for a great high protein meal for him. I've already diced some onions, some celery, and some red bell pepper, and it's approximately about a little bit more than a quarter cup of each. I'm going to be adding relish, yellow mustard, mayonnaise, salt and pepper. In addition, I have some canned tuna. I canned this a couple of years ago, and this is from yellowfin tuna that hubby caught on one of his trips at that time. To start, I'm going to add my veggies to my bowl. Mix those together. My next addition is going to be my mayo. How much? I go by the consistency. Starting out with this is probably about a half a cup of mayonnaise. Then I add in probably about that much, which is about a teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of yellow mustard. Salt and pepper. I have about a half a teaspoon of pepper and a little less than a half a teaspoon of salt. And we mix all that together. And so far, this is the consistency that I'm going for. On my eggs, I use this little contraption. It comes in very handy. Then I can take it again and turn it. And that chops up my eggs for me. I've got 6 eggs, so I'm making quite a bit of tuna egg salad. What my hubby usually does is we always have crackers around the house, so if this is in the refrigerator, for a snack he can go in and add it on some crackers. The other thing that it tastes very good in, avocados. If you slice an avocado in half, take out the seed, and then put the tuna egg salad in there and eat it together, it's a very, very tasty treat. Okay, I've got my eggs done, and then I'll go through and I'll mix that in with the mayonnaise vegetable mustard mixture, and we'll see what my consistency is. I try to get that egg yolk combined with the mayonnaise. It makes it really, really creamy. And just add that extra layer of flavor in there. One of my other ingredients I almost forgot the relish, and I'm going to be adding approximately a teaspoon worth of relish in there. That adds a little bit of a tang. move on to the tuna. I mentioned before that I canned this tuna. It's yellowfin. And one of these days, I guess I'm going to have to make a video on canning tuna and other meats. I usually do this during the time that my hubby's gone on a long fishing trip, long meaning more than a couple of weeks. And it gives me a chance to clean out the freezer of fish and things like that that have been there for a while that I need to make room for his new batch of fish coming in. So we just mix all that together. Leave no piece of tuna on the side. Anything that plops out of the bowl will stick back in. And you see it's coming together very well. And actually, I think I'm going to add a little bit more of the relish, about another teaspoon's worth. We'll get that all incorporated. And there we have my tuna egg salad. I'm going to do a tasting just to make sure I've got my seasonings correct. We're good to go. There we have it, our tuna and egg salad. Ready for sandwiches, ready for adding to avocado, ready for eating on crackers, just ready to eat.